Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. One of the great things about Linux is the variety of options for you to choose from. And today I want to share with you a great way to test any distro directly from your web browser. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first open your web browser and go to this website, Dstrotest.net. You will find the link in the description below. In this website you will find a huge collection of systems for you to test. For this video I'm going to choose Zorin Os. Now select the light version. Wait for a minute. Now click on Open VNC Viewer. And there you go. Now I'm running a Linux system from my web browser. Now you can install and uninstall any piece of software. Open and test any app and get all the information you need before choosing if the Linux system is suitable for you. And that's it. I really hope that you like this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until I see you next time, bye.